how to buy IP token on Bitget. Now before we start, this is not professional advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, this token, it's available on CoinMarketCap. So you'll be able to buy this token on Bitget. Click on market here and you will be able to see the Bitget, and click on this pair link and you will be able to redirect to your Bitget account. So first of all, log into your account on Bitget, and as you can see, you will be able to land to this page. Now click on this buy option and here select the limit and here type how much you want to buy of that token. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy IP. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. And here click on buy IP and you will be able to buy this token on your Bitget account. So this is how to buy IP token on Bitget. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.